guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'll be showing you all of my collection at Shopkins. First collection is my makeup spot. So this set is very cool. It has many Shopkins on it, but this Shopkins that I put inside is my own Shopkins. It has some cute drawers. Has some space over here where you can go. Oh, this. Let's go here. And next is my Shopkins bag. What all this? That is very cute. I love the wheel because it's orange or fruit orange. I have my chair that comes with this set, so I put it here so that and it has a driver wheel and driver seat. So I put my num-nums here so that it could drive. So this is the seat. And I'll show you at the back. This is the back table. So the table is very, very clean and not yet messy. So the table has stripes, white stripes. Then at the back it has some S words, so that means it's Shopkins. And I open this orange. It has some white drippy here. And this is the stand where you can stand the table so that it will not be crumbly or clumsy when the people will eat. It's orange too. So the details here is very, very, very metallic, so it's very cool. And it has some orange drink, has very, very big tumbler or something cup, so it's very big. Then it has some oranges, some I don't know, the plant of the pineapple, sorry for that, and strawberries, and another S word. S. So the in front, these pictures from the Shopkins or something sticker that had put here, and the details here is like here but little bit smaller. And next is all of my Shopkins is placed here. So some of here are pinipons and Shopkins. The Shopkin cases that I bought from last year or last year. This container and lots of shopping bag. And before this video, and comment down below what is your favorite here. The tree, or if you want the makeup spot, the vehicle, Shopkins, or my collection. So it has many things here not included. So I had my Shopkins here down, it fell, so I'll get it. And I got some cute green sneakers with sparkling star. Then some umbrella, my favorite Shopkins. And I'll show you my num-nums. So this is my num-nums. And I had some duplicate, so something is cool and something is not too duplicate. So this is the duplicate of the other gift. The fries, Fiona fries, my favorite. And this milkshake. I got some duplicate or triplicate here. So I want this. This is all of my favorite because this is very little and it is like this. So I got some 2 erasers for my pencil to put. I got this Shopkins eraser and this gift eraser. So this is my squishy. It's very squishable and smellable. Whoa! Oopsie. Boop 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 boop. So my Shopkin is underdone. I cannot get it. And the last collection I have is TY. So I got this TY. My dad gave this. It's from Toys R Us. So her name is Rainbow and something just written here. I'll read it for you guys. They call me Rainbow because of my hair. It has style and flair and is the coolest to wear. So her hair is truly rainbow. So her name is Rainbow. And her birthday is on November 10. So we will celebrate her birthday the same like my birthday. So I will vlog that Rainbow's birthday will be celebrated. And she has this cute tail and some cute foot, hands. I love the most is this because this is big and we'll get more. Boop. Boop. So this is all my TY. And this is Lindy the cat. So I bought this from KCC. And then it will said here, I'll be your kitty. Please cuddle with me. Best friends forever. Together we'll be. My birthday is on May 17th. So her birthday is past from 1 month ago. So we do not celebrate. So you could celebrate her birthday next year or maybe next month. This is my favorite of them all. This is from Kaboom store or in other places buy. So this is nearly $9 or I don't know. So this is very cute. Her name is or his name is Dottie. So I'll read it for you again. If you stare at my bold colors, colored spots, they might start to look like big crazy dots. So this is very funny quotes. Though this is like a quote, but just written here. My birthday is on June 16, so another birthday has passed, or maybe next year we will celebrate all of the birthday of my TY. So it has white fur here and cute neon tail, neon colors of tail. And my next one is this. It's from the Kaboom store. Her name is Dixie. And it says here, let's play together and have some fun. If you chase me, I will get up and run. My birthday is December 10, so her birthday is on December 10 and we'll celebrate because it's Christmas! And this is my TY from Kaboom store, $9. Her or his name is Kiki. My friends all call me Kitty Kitty because they say I'm so pretty, so that's very cool. My birthday is on August 16. Oh, next month or someone be next month. Yeah. So I got my teeny TY. I got this teeny TY. This is Hootie. Yeah. No birthday, I don't know why. But she's very squish and cute. So this is Floral. My birthday is on October 27, so it's very cool. Her birthday is on October 27. She is the baby sister of Rainbow. And next is this. Her name is Jelly. My birthday is on June 18th, so it passed. So next year I will celebrate. So this is the baby sister of Dottie. Then my last two is this. This is Butter, my favorite. So I had a lot of favorite in my TY and Shopkins collection. Here say is, I don't talk, I only move. That's my way of saying I love you. Oh, that's cool. So her birthday is on, my birthday is January 12, so it is cool because it's before or after December. You will celebrate her birthday. If you cover her eyes, like the mouth, the nose and the mouth are the eyes, funny. She look like angry but happy. And my last one is Blitz. I love Blitz. And Blitz, just say here, is, sorry my feet is here. Blitz is our shiny unicorn. She has great big eyes and a sparkly horn. Wow, big eyes, big eyes. So it has cute details and the color. I love the color so much. It has light green here and lot of light green and pink and white and yellow and some beautiful hair on the top. So thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below what is your favorite here, the TY collection or the Shopkins collection. Bye guys, see you soon.